Hi guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, fashion and a lifestyle, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Wednesday. I'm always on the hunt for the perfect bag. If you are like me, please subscribe, hit notification bell and let's enjoy bags together. Today we've got an exciting unboxing of a beautiful bag. It's Bottega Veneta, the Mini Pouch 20. I've already mentioned this bag quite a few times in my previous videos, and I've explained why I wanted this bag so badly. Mainly in my bag wish list Autumn 20, Winter 21 video. If you haven't seen this video, I'm going to leave a link below in description bar. Please check this out. Without wasting any time, let's move on to the most exciting part, unboxing. I'm also going to cover today in this video a little review, mod shots, how I'm going to wear this bag, also some close-ups and what we can fit. I've ordered this bag from matchesfashion.com. I absolutely love this website for their speedy deliveries, very easy to navigate website for exciting stock they have. Sometimes it's quite unusual and quirky from other websites. And I'm also in love with their packaging. Look at this, a beautiful, colorful box. All their goods arrived in. Unboxing and unwrapping my new bags is one of my favorite things ever. What we've got inside there. So starting with a receipt from Matches Fashion and then a little tissue paper. Also what I like about Matches Fashion, they always put a card who wrapped and packed this bag for you. Let's rip it off. Love it, love it, love it. Done it. A little bit of tissue paper here to fill in some space. Matchesfashion.com, a little tag. Oh, and I think that's the bag itself. Tissue paper. And voila, Bottega Veneta. Have you known that Bottega Veneta, it's not the name of the founders of this fashion house. In Italian, it actually means shop from Venice or Venetian shop. And inside we've got a beautiful, tiny, cute, a little one, the Pouch 20 or the Pouch Mini. Creative director Daniel Lee came up with that style, the pouch style, a few years ago. And he started with original, the large pouch, bigger size. And then after some time, they created also the Mini Pouch 20. Why it's called 20? Because of the length of the bag, 22 centimeters. My bag came in buttercuff leather and the black color. There are so many different colors of this bag, and the original one, the pouch, starting from the beautiful mint or white color, very beautiful summer colors, and ending with a deep wine red or traditional black. This bag also comes in different types of leather. For example, the classic, iconic Bottega Veneta Intrecciato, those famous leather waves, also in python, in croc and metallic. But most popular ones, Intrecciato version and also buttercuff. Let's put all of that aside, including this beautiful dust bag. Look at that, really nice quality, really thick dust bag. So that is going aside, and let's focus on the bag. The main difference between the original large pouch, apart from the size, and this one is strap. And you know I'm a massive fan of the straps when they are removable and adjustable. Why? Removable because it allows you to create many different ways to wear this particular bag, and adjustable because I'm quite a short person. I'm only 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, which means that some of the bags which comes with non-adjustable strap are just hanging somewhere around my hip area, and it's not comfortable at all. For that particular reason, for example, I returned a Gucci Affidia, a round bag, and I mentioned that in one of my videos, bags I regret buying. If you haven't seen it, I'm going to leave a link below in description bar as well for you to check it out. Back to the strap. How are you going to adjust that? And that's what I like the most. So it's not just adjustable holes there when you have quite a few settings, and you're still limited with your length of the strap and how you can adjust that. Here it's just a thin strap, leather holes on the side, and you basically, with those little knots, you can create a length of the strap as much and as long as you wish. Do you want to wear this bag quite high around your waistline? Do it. Or a little bit longer, that allows as well. Also, I like wearing the bags when the strap is hanging down there, like this. You can easily do that. And don't forget about one of the most kind of like a fashionable, trendy ways of wearing the bags this autumn winter 2021 season, and it's been shown in many catwalks by different fashion houses, and that way is wearing your bag in your hands, just when it's like carrying like this. I'm going to show more like that in the mod shots as well, or under your armpit. Let's talk about leather here. Smooth butter cuff. Very nice, very tactile, very smooth, very gentle as well. I think it's one of those bags when you actually need to watch where you put it down, all your nail scratches, marks and something like that. Bag doesn't have a feet. Yes, it's too small, and I don't think the little fits there would suit the style, but anyway, so you need to be very careful and look where you put it down, and plus all the nail situation and anything like that, keys, I think they could leave our tiny little scratches everywhere. Yes, black color is quite flattering in this case because it's going to cover up a tiny little scratches here and there, but anyway, I think it's going to be one of the bags that you can actually need to baby. What I'm going to do, I'm definitely keeping this bag, it's my little baby already, and I'm going to make a review maybe in another 3-6 months, telling you about wear and tear of this particular bag. I'm actually very interested in that myself. It's going to be our little experiment here. What do we have inside the bag? We have a little care instruction from Bottega Veneta, tissue paper, a little number here. I think it's an identification number. I've heard that it's supposed to be inside, but here it's just on the card. Let me just check if they've got any identification number inside as well. And more tissue paper. First of all, let's look for identification number. Oh yes, yeah, we've got it here, and it says originality certified, identification number down there. It's a leather interior inside, a full on. There is no compartments, no dividers or any pockets or card slots inside. Like I usually say, one big haul. The closure is magnetic and really easy to go. There is no other closure apart from that, not clips or anything like that. I'm going to repeat all of that in the close-up as well, so you can see that even closer. And oh yeah, I have mentioned that it's no, it's not. Oh no, it is. That's what I was looking for. It's Bottega Veneta made in Italy embossing inside the bag. It's time to cover what we can fit inside this bag. Is it going to surprise us with a major capacity comparing to the small size, or the opposite way around? Let's find out that. With my usual combo here, I'm ready to check if Bottega Veneta, the mini pouch 20, is tiny but mighty or just tiny. We'll start with my must-have thing, the phone plus size, and I'm going to put it flat like this. Okay, perfectly goes in there. Then keys, lipstick, chunky card holder, and as I mentioned before, my card holder is so big and so thick that it actually looks like and have a size of mini purse. I need to buy myself a flat card holder for those tiny bags. Okay, we're going in there. We can close it. So let's check if we can add sunglasses as well. Not like we need them a lot in UK over the autumn winter season, but let's try that. Nah, with the sunglasses, we can't close it anymore. I think I have a little bit of space there for a tiny hand cream or a tiny hand sanitizer, but that's it. That's us. I think if I swap my chunky card holder for the regular flat card holder, I would be able to put more in, but at the moment, I exceeded capacity of the bag. Not that much, as you can see, but the bag is tiny. Another thing that I really wanted to mention here, and what I've seen in the other reviews for Bottega Veneta, the mini pouch 20, is that when you put your belongings inside the bag, because of the weight of them, it creates a bulge at the bottom and bag does not stay flat. It's not the case in my situation here. As you can see, it is still flat and the bag keeping its shape because I put my phone at the very bottom. I'm going to show you in a second how it looks like if I've put my chunky card holder first. This is what it looks like with the card holder going first. You can see this bulge at the bottom, but I still like the shape of the bag actually in both occasions. In this close-up, I want to show you how smooth, delicate and beautiful buttercuff leather. The bag doesn't have any feet at the bottom. That's the sides with a little gathering of the leather. Top, two little leather hoops where you can adjust your removable and adjustable strap here. Magnetic closure and leather gatherings around the top of the bag as well. That's magnetic closure. And inside the bag, no card holders or any compartments. And also here we have Bottega Veneta identification number and the leather interior. And that's it. Very simple. Bottega Veneta, the mini pouch 20, is quite a versatile bag. Starting in my case with a black color. Black color is a neutral color. You can mix and match with pretty much anything you want. especially in autumn winter, and ending with quite a simple form with no branding at all. There are also so many ways you can wear this bag. First of all, my favorite one, crossbody. And because of the adjustable strap, you can adjust the length of the strap as much as you want. Let's move on to the shoulder bag option, left or right shoulder. And then to the way of wearing this bag as a clutch. Just in your hands, or, as I mentioned before, one of the most fashionable ways this season, under your armpit, or in your hands but around the hip area. I've also heard that you can wear this bag as a belt bag. I haven't tried it yet, but I will certainly figure out the way you can wear that. And again, this adjustable strap allows you to do that. And that's me for today, guys. To conclude, I just want to say that I really like this bag for how versatile it is, and I'm going to wear that a lot in autumn winter season. I don't have that many black bags. Sorry, now I kind of do have, but never mind. It's one of my few black bags and I'm going to enjoy that really much. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell, and see you next time. Bye!